In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a box in PDF Adobe Acrobat tutorial. If you want to highlight part of a document, mark a section for review, or simply add a visual frame around important content, drawing a box in Adobe Acrobat is a quick and useful skill to know. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open on your screen. Before moving forward, it helps to scroll to the page where you want to place the box so you can add it exactly where you need it. This makes the process smoother and saves time once you start drawing. Next, go to the top bar and click on Edit. This opens the editing tools that let you make changes to your PDF. If you're new to Acrobat, this is an important area because many of the document modification features are found here. Once the edit panel is open, look over to the left-hand column. Under the Add Content section, click on More. This expands additional options that are not shown right away. If you don't immediately see what you need, take a moment to scan the list carefully, since Acrobat groups some tools under these extra menus. From there, click on Article Box. This is the option you'll use to create the box area on your PDF. Selecting it prepares your cursor for drawing directly on the page. At this point, you're ready to place the box wherever you want in the document. Now click and drag on the PDF page to start drawing your box. Click where you want one corner of the box to begin, then hold and drag your mouse outward until the box reaches the size you want. When it looks right, release the mouse button to place it. If the size isn't perfect on your first try, don't worry. It may take a second attempt to get the exact shape and placement you want. A good tip here is to zoom in first if you need more precise control, especially if you're boxing a small section of text or a specific image. That can help you place the edges more accurately and make your document look cleaner. And that's all it takes to draw a box in Adobe Acrobat. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.